This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready. Open the launcher and type the app name to find it. Make sure you note whether it's a Chrome app, an Android app from Play Store, or a Linux app, because removal differs. Once you see the icon, right-click with a mouse or two-finger, tap the touchpad, or long press on touch screens to reveal options. Doing this now starts the deletion flow and avoids guessing which removal method applies, so you don't accidentally lose settings or leftover files. Once the context menu appears, choose the appropriate uninstall action. For Chrome apps, pick Remove or Uninstall and confirm. Chrome handles cleanup. For Android apps, click Play Store in the menu, go to My Apps, select the app and tap Uninstall. This removes app data stored by Android. For Linux apps, open Terminal and run sudo apt remove package name, and then sudo apt auto remove to clean dependencies. Make sure to confirm prompts and read any warnings about shared libraries before proceeding. Finish by restarting your Chromebook to ensure the system frees resources and finalizes deletions. After reboot, open Settings Storage to verify space reclaimed and look for residual folders under Downloads or Files. If an app won't uninstall, check whether it's managed by a school or work admin. In that case, you'll see policy restrictions and must contact the admin. As a last resort, disable the app or perform a power wash after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.